How tall you say this in? This Indian is probably taller than 6 foot, because I'm 6 foot. It's almost, I say it's close to 7 foot. All right. Hey, so welcome back, crew. Hey, welcome back for another awesome video. Hey, I also hope that you guys have been enjoying all of the videos that I've been putting out there for you guys. Hey, we just got through with a lot of epic videos, guys. We just got through, man, with the 1947 Chevy pickup truck build of, hey, you guys know, the Bullseye. And that was an awesome build to complete, guys. Sometimes when you do these builds, you really don't want them to come to an end, you know, but everything eventually got to come to an end. Hey, and we also finally got Blue Ash back on the road. When we got back and stuff, she actually broke down on me from this car show. She really wasn't broke down. She was just having some coughing problems, let's say. But we got her back together. We finally figured out what it was. I believe it was just some really dirty fuel injectors and stuff, but we had to go through a process of elimination, and we finally got her back on the road. But hey guys, I really want to get on here, give you guys a really like a good update as far as what we got going on in the garage, guys. And I would actually be in the garage, but of course, guys, it is like really bad outside. It's pouring down, raining and stuff, and I am actually about to take a trip, and that's why I got you guys here with me. I'm about to take a trip Kingsport. Unfortunately, I have local friends that have a smoke shop as well, but they are, you know, closing their doors after I think like 40 something years of business. And so I'm gonna go over there and try to help them out with a few things. You know, like I think she wants to sell some Indians, and she's a really awesome lady and stuff. But you know, she called me, you know, first thing and stuff, and told me, and like I said, we're really close. I always send her business, and she used to always send me business and stuff, because she have a very large variety of pipes and pipe tobacco, and I got a very large variety of cigars. So we always used to work with each other, even though we're across town from each other. It's gonna take us about 40 minutes to get over there. So, you know, it's like I said, it's raining pretty bad, but we're gonna go over there and see if we can relieve a little bit of pressure and help her out. And you know, before she opened things up to the public, she decided to call me, which I think that is so awesome. You know, she called me, and she could have, you know, just opened it up to her customers or whatever. But we always stay in touch and stuff with each other, and we always check up on each other too, man. And just because you have a business, you know, you don't necessarily have to be in competition with each other all the time. We actually help each other out. We're two small businesses and stuff, and I mean, a lot of people strive on that. So a lot of our customers know that we actually refer people back and forth, and there's several other you know, bigger cigar shops than we are, but we've been around the longest. There's only one other place. So anyway, we're gonna go over there this morning, guys, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm not gonna probably have the camera on now. I'll probably show you guys what I get, you know, but I'm not gonna, you know, have the camera all up in her face and stuff, because she is going through some hard times and stuff, and plus her dad, he's sick as well, and that was my buddy. He was also a Navy guy, man, so we got along really well. So my heart would go out to her and her family and stuff. So and most of you guys that's from this area, and you guys know this area, you guys know who I'm talking about and stuff. So if you do have a chance to get by there and just show them the support, and go by there and you know, and buy, you know, a few things from them or off of them, just to help her out, guys, because she is closing her doors. So anyway, to get off to a lighter note, so what we got going on, and like I said, I wanted to do a little garage update. I do want to show you guys what I get this evening, but as far as what we got going on next, and like I said, I want to be outside walking around, but I'm not going to let a little bit of rain stop me, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to start doing episodes with the 53 panel truck build. So we're gonna do that build. I know Blue Ash is already built, but that's one thing about this video. There was so much material, and I just wanted to get one thing out of the way, before I start on the next one. And I am still working on Blue Ash, okay? So we're gonna start from the beginning, guys, and we're gonna, get to it, and hopefully you guys are gonna enjoy these videos as much as all the other videos. But if you guys haven't went back and looked at the other videos, go back and check out my very first videos of the build with the 1962 Chevy pickup truck step side, guys. And then when you guys get through with that, go and look at the 47. And then that way you can get all caught up with the 53 build, guys, and you guys know what I'm into, what I like, and that way we can start doing things together. Now, I'm also still looking for a project. You guys know that I'm always looking for projects, man. I'm always trying to get my hands on something. If I don't have something to do, I don't know what I would do. I'd probably go crazy. But I think that's part of the military side of me and stuff. I always have to stay busy, stay grinding, and, just doing something. And why not share it with you guys? So, hey, I'm going to turn you guys back on later on this evening, probably whenever we go and help this young lady out with her shop. So stay tuned, and I'll turn you guys back on in a second. All right, guys, so we're about to pull up here to a tobacco shop over here in Kingsport, and I'm gonna jump on. Like I said, I'm not gonna record a lot of stuff, but I do want to show you guys like the Indians instead I'm going to get, and so I will show you guys a few pictures of that. And then when I get back to the shop, I'll just show you a few things that I got, guys. So, and we'll review it and look at it and go from there. I thought you said this Indian is probably taller than 6 foot, because I'm 6 foot. It's almost, I say it's close to 7 foot. All right, crew, so we're back at the shop here, at my shop. So this is one of the Indians that we picked up here. This is probably about I guess a 3 foot Indian. It's pretty neat. It's made out of, I guess that's ceramic. I don't know. And that thing is pretty heavy too. And it's like so I guess it's an Indian chief, but it's a female. Got a cigars in her hand. And that's a big old one that we've already had there for years. And man, I tell you, that thing is huge. And you guys also saw the other one that was in the shop there. That's I tell you, that thing's almost 7 foot, and this is one here about 4 feet there, and that's a pretty cool one. Got the cigar bundle back there in the back. I really like that one, and that's really heavy. And then we got the bust here. I mean, and heck, the bust is pretty much heavier than all these pieces here, and really nice piece. So these are some things that I collect and stuff. And we got, like I said, we got a lot of other little stuff, but that's just the main stuff that I wanted to show you. Thought that was neat and wanted to share with you guys. So anyway, like I said, I'm back at the shop, and like I told you guys this morning, I want you guys, we're gonna start doing the 53 panel truck build. So like I said, this is going to be a short video. I just want to bring you guys along with me this morning or this evening, guys, to show you what I was getting into, and also to let you guys know what we got planned in the future. So like I said, we really got the 200 subs very quick, and now we're at a standstill, man. We've been at 215 almost for 2 weeks, guys. We got to do better than that, guys. I want you guys to do better than that. I'm doing better. I'm doing my job. I'm putting out good content and stuff, and I want you guys to enjoy it. But you guys help me out. I want you guys to subscribe. I keep telling you guys I need to start stressing it more. I know I don't stress it much because I really like just doing it, you know, making videos and stuff, because this is what I like to do. But I would appreciate it if you guys continue hitting that. Don't forget, continue hitting that subscribe button. I want to try to get to 500 subs by the end of the year. I know we can do it, guys. You guys been taking good care of me and stuff. In the near future, what we got coming up, like we said, we just got through doing the 1947 Chevy pickup truck build last week. We finished that last episode of Bullseye of the build and everything. Appreciate you guys watching it. We got a lot of good positive response, guys. So also next week we're gonna drop the first series of the 1953 panel truck build, guys. I know that she's already built. I've been taking her to car shows, but now I've been waiting for, you know, Bullseye to get over with. I didn't want to really overwhelm you guys. So hey, that's gonna be a treat, guys. I'm letting you know that right now. The 53 panel truck, man, Blue Ash, she's gonna be exciting to work on. So I want you guys to start watching that videos. Next week, guys, is gonna be the first video that we drop a Bullseye. And at the same time, you guys will see, I'm still going around trying to find another project for the shop, guys, to bring to YouTube so you guys can go along with me. And if I do find something, you will be the first ones to know what I found. In the meantime, we're gonna still be out there trying to hustle and try to find other builds that we can possibly find. And if you guys got some ideas, hey, drop them down below in the comment below, guys. I'm up for anything, man. You know, this is a hobby for me, and I love to do it. I love to find some, you know, rusty gold is what I call them, you know. So anyway, until next time, guys, thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for hanging out with your boy. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hey, and like I tell everybody, if you got a fast car truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll definitely catch you guys on the next video.